What up, people? Welcome to Fast Money. Today, we're going to go over door to door sales. Door to door sales can be effective for almost anybody, okay? Whether you're trying to just earn a couple bucks on the side, whether you're trying to start a small business, door to door sales is the key to your success. The first step is deciding on what type of service you want to provide and what type of service you think you could complete in a timely manner. Okay, whether that is car washing, whether that is window washing, you need to come up with a type of service and a product that you can stand on and you can work at for an extended period of time. It is important that you have the equipment that you need for that particular service. Okay, so for example, if you are a lawn care person, you need to make sure that you have your equipment with you when you go door to door. All right. So if I'm going door to door and I'm in the lawn care business, I want to make sure that that client knows that I am in the lawn care business. So I need to make sure that I have my lawnmower behind me on my truck or whatnot. I need to have my blower, my weed eater. I want them to know that I am ready to provide a service for them. Okay. So when you go door to door, I think it's key to make sure that you have your equipment and everything in the background. That way they know that you are ready for your service. Number three, when you approach the door, make sure you are wearing the appropriate attire for that type of product or service. Okay. For example, I might knock on a door because I'm a curb painter. I might knock on a door wearing a highlighter green shirt with some paint on it, right? I want them to know that this is what I do and I'm ready to work for you, right? So, one, having your type of work shirt on, and two, the second option would be to wear a polo, right? Wear a polo shirt. It typically is the to go to shirt when you're going sort door to door. So I would definitely get either a good work shirt or a polo shirt to go door to door, right? First impression is everything, okay? So if you when you go door to door, it's key to remember that you're wearing one of those two things. All right. Try not to have no no holes in your pants or whatnot. You want them to know that you're an actual worker and you're ready to work. Number four, when you approach the door, make sure you're being very respectful and polite. Okay. Um, Greetings is everything. Briefly explain your service and go in detail what you do. You gotta realize it's gonna take you about 5 to 10 seconds for them to really understand if they want something, they want your service, or they don't. Okay, so try to say what you got to say in that first 10 to 20 seconds. You might have another 10 to 20, depending on who you're dealing with, and depending on your approach. Okay, so definitely just make sure that you're polite and respectful in that, and be ready to answer any questions that they might have about that service or product that you provide. Okay, highlights the benefits of your service, why you're better than the other individual, and etc. Okay, you're really trying to capitalize on that first 20 to 30 seconds of the conversation. Okay, number five. Okay, try to have some type of evidence or proof of your product or your service. Okay, I believe this is a huge, huge key when I get sales. So what I use is my phone. I have my phone ready with the photos of my business and of my service. So I show them as I talk for that first 10 to 20 seconds. Okay. So that is strongly recommended that you have some type of proof, some type of pictures or videos that you could show your service in a quickly manner. Okay. So definitely recommend that. Number six, deliver the services that you said that you was going to deliver. Okay. Um, this is huge as far as negotiating the price and how much you feel that you need to be compensated for the service that you provide. Okay. So if you feel that your service is $20, you need to make sure that you provide appropriate service for that $20. Okay. Um, and make sure that the customer is satisfied with your service. Okay. So show them the pictures, but also make sure whatever game that you talk to them, that you capitalize on that when you finish. Okay. That is huge because you can't charge a large amount of something and then the service is really, really bad. And last but not least, market yourself. Okay. So if you don't already, go ahead and try to make a couple flyers, make a couple door hangers, and try to market yourself. Give them something that can refer to their friends or family members, etc. And then also just have some on deck. That way, you can go door to door. You can leave a flyer if they don't answer a door, and if they do answer a door and they want more info, you can also be able to give them that. That's very huge on marketing your on getting the business that you want. Important to make sure that you market yourself in a professional way. That way, you get the appropriate um, audience to come with that. Okay, so that's very huge by itself. So yeah, if you're looking to go door to door sales, I strongly, strongly recommend it. Definitely is a thing where you'll get better at as you go. Takes a lot of practice. It's very, very scary for sure going up to someone's house that you do not know at all. Okay, that can be a scary process. I recommend just doing like 1 to 5 to 10 to 15, and just trying to just do more and more until you get comfortable with it. Um, that can be the make or break in your business. Okay, are you able to go to door to door? Are you able to make the sale? Are you able to capitalize on the product or the service that you said that you was going to provide? Okay, all those are keys into having a successful business. Starting off going door to door. Okay. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in to Fast Money. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. That way I can give you guys more tips and more tricks on making money fast. Till next time. Peace.
If you stuck around to this point and you need your curb done, go ahead, follow me at address curbing 101. Okay, that's address curbing 101. Okay, go ahead, follow me. I post a lot of my photos and a lot of my projects on there. Um, but yeah, you can comment below or you can follow me and DM me there. All right. I pretty much do three different kinds. Okay, basic color. I do Dallas Cowboys, and I do Texas flags. Okay, so I keep it simple. I do three basics, three different things that's basically um, easily to do with one another, and it gets the job done. Okay, I don't get too complicated with logos and different schools and whatnot. But yeah, I do a great job as far as making sure that I clean off the surface before. Then I do a good job on painting the curb. Okay, so go ahead and make sure you follow me at address curbing 101. Also, if you want to make $400 today, okay, $400 today, buy my course in the description below. Okay, you go from no money to $400 daily. I teach you my methods, how I do what I do. You can literally look over my shoulder as I paint the curbs and see how I do what I do, okay? I cannot stress this enough. Please go ahead, get my course, okay? I'm going to come out with more courses, but definitely get this course. This one is going to give you all the momentum that you need going into your business, going into 2024. Let's get it.